Hi guys, welcome to Core Solutions. My name is Mahmoud and today we are going to build a Parallax website with HTML and CSS. So without wasting more time, let me take you through what we are going to build. So this is the website we are going to build. So Parallax, there's a Parallax scroll. So as you scroll down, the background image stays there and the text is moving. So this is what Parallax means. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do, um, let's start. Okay, HTML boilerplates. Can hold shift and press 1 and hit enter. Okay, Parallax website, and let's connect. Let's link our CSS. I'll say style.css. That's all for the head. Let's go to body, and the first thing I'm going to do is def with the class of city img1, or let's say city img, and we need another def with the class of paragraph text. So let's say p text it, and inside this def we will have a span. Okay, span, and in this span we'll have class of border. Okay, this let's say Parallax website, or let's say Parallax, and below this def, let's get out of this def, we'll have a section. So we'll have, okay, let's say section with the class of section. We'll have two classes, and the other class of, let's say, section light. Dash light. Am I right? I'm not. Okay. Oh no, it's a div. No. We don't need a div. Okay. Section. Okay, let's have a class of, we'll have two classes. One section. Section. The other one is section dash light or highlight, whatever. let's say light. And in this section we'll have H2, H2, and I will also have, so in the H2 we're gonna write, let's say section 1, section, oh sorry, section 1, and we'll have paragraph, and in this paragraph we'll have some text. So let's take some text from Epson generator, and we will grab the first few. Okay, I think that's enough. Copy and the best. Wow, it came too long. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we'll copy this section 3 times. We'll copy and we'll paste 3 more times. So we need 3 sections. Okay, save, and let's check. Let's open with live server, and then we're gonna see. Alright, so here's our text. We have 3 sections, section 1 and 2. Oh sorry, didn't change. Let me change section 1, and the other one will be section 2. Section 2, and this one will be section 3. Alright, okay, we'll take this def and I will make it 3 copies also. We'll paste 3 times. So first one will be here, and this image 2. This one will be image 1, and the other one is here. And lastly we'll paste one more time. It'll be image 1 also. Okay, so we have our 3 sections, and here last place here, let's say instead of Parallax I'll say Code Solutions, which is my YouTube channel. Alright, Code Solutions. Alright, so that's all for HTML. Let's go to CSS. So the first thing we're going to do is body, comma, HTML, So the first thing we're going to do is height. Height will be 100%. Okay. And margin is 0. We'll set font size. Font family, and we're going to say sans serif. We'll set the font size, and we'll say 16 pixels. 16 pixels, and we'll set font weight, say 400. Line height, and I will set to 1.8 pm, and lastly we'll set the color, text color, and I will say I will use XOR this XOR. It's 666. All right, that's all for the body. So the next thing is we'll set the image. So we'll say cd1, cdimg 1, and 2, and 3, all right. So the first thing we're gonna set position, and we're gonna set our relative. The other thing is opacity. I will set to 0.7, and background position, and I will set to center. Other thing is background size, and I will set to cover, and background now repeat, background repeat, and I will set now repeat. And I think what else? Okay, we're gonna set the background attachment. Now set fix it. That's all. We'll save and run, and there we go. We don't have margin, and the background's little different. All right. Okay, so the next thing is the first image. Set image img1, img1. The first thing is background image and URL. So I'll set to touch the dot slash image. That's where my pictures are. Slash city img 1 dot jpg. All right, so that's the background image. And what else? Minimum height, and I'll set to 100%. Save, and let's check. Wow, that's my image. Yeah, that's the first image. So we will also set the other images. mg2, I'll set a background image, and there's dot forward slash images forward slash city img2 dot jpg. And the minimum height I'll set to 400 pixels. Save. Let's see. There we go. Wow. And the other thing is, let me put the other one. Image 3, background image, URL dot forward slash image forward slash city img dot jpg. And I'll set the minimum height to 400 pixels also. Save and check. 1, 2, 3. Good. And the next thing that we're gonna do is okay, I've done that. So the next thing, I will style the sections. Okay, sections. So let's, because the section is ugly now, there's no bedding. A background, we'll change the background also. So let's go to style the section, say dot section. Okay, and the first thing we set this text element, set center, and the padding, so let's say 50 pixels. Save. Let's see if anything changes. Yeah, Now everything's centered. Okay, the next thing is I'll change the first section will make it light, and the other two sections I will make it dark background. I'll set to dark background. So dot section light, so the first thing is the background, and I've set to light. Okay, F4 3 times, and the color, text color, I'll set to 666. Let's check. That's the first section. There we go, it's light. Okay, and the other two sections, let's change. Section dark, and I'll say background color, and I'll set to background color 2A2 E34. That's a dark color, and the color, text color, I'll set to 666. That's good. Save and check. Okay, nothing has changed. Because I know the problem. Okay, I didn't change section 3. Here I should say dark, under section 4, I mean section 2, dark. Must be changed now. Yes, so there we go. So right now 1 2 3. Okay, so the next thing is section deck. Okay, section text done. So the next thing that I will do is will style the text, this text, the paragraph. I will make it a border. We'll make it. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, take it up. So I'll say dot paragraph text, background. First thing we're gonna do is background, and we will set that to 111, which like oh no, let me set to okay, leave the background. Let me do the first thing we can do is position and I'll set to absolute. Position to absolute. Width, let's make 100%. Width is 100%, and the top I'll make it 50 pixels. Should I make it 50 pixels? Yes, 50 pixels. And the next thing is color, and I will make it Excel F4 3 times. And the next thing is text transform. I will make it uppercase. We need everything to be capital. And the text alignment, and I will set to center. And okay, what else? Layer spacing, let's say 8 pixels. That's 8 pixels. And the last thing is font size, and I will set that to 27 pixels. Okay, save. Let's see. Okay, our text is beautiful now. That's applied only to section 1. Why? Okay, let's go to HTML btext. Each one has btext. Why do you need change? Btext, yeah. All right. Yeah, everything's changed. Good. Everything's the same. All right. Let's come to CSS. So the last thing we are going to do is we'll do paragraph text and border, and I will set that to background, and I will say 111, and the color I will set to white, which is FFF, and we'll give padding, no, not other, padding of 20 pixels. Alright, let's see that. Yeah. I didn't apply. There's a problem. What is the problem? Should I give space here? Yeah, there we go.